In problem number 36 of section 2.6, we're again asked to find the equation of a line tangent to the graph, this time of the function y equals a to the x at the point 0, 1. So first step here is, well, let's find the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy dx is going to be the natural log of a times a to the x. Y is just the general exponential function. And to find the slope of the tangent line at the point 0, 1, we simply evaluate this at x equals 0, the point we're given. So this becomes natural log of a. A to the 0 is just 1, so we see that the slope of our tangent line is just natural log of a. So we see that probably should use something other than y. We'll write L for our line will be equal to natural log of a times change in x, which is x minus x naught, the point that we're given, which is 0, plus y naught, which is the point, which is our function evaluated at x naught, so plus 1. And simplifying this, we get natural log of a times x plus 1 as the equation of the line tangent to the graph.